Hi, welcome to Greatfullearner YouTube channel. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today's our topic is pouring in construction. So basically, this is the presentation video on pouring on construction, which we have discussed in detail. What is the pouring impacts, the pouring benefits in construction, and how the impacts to deal with construction to enhance their new technologies and all the things. So let's start. We know pouring in construction. Okay, so basically, what is pouring in construction? The pouring in construction basically the aspects of construction demanding precision and expertise to ensure structural eligibility. We have seen here in this photo a person who is casting the slab, casting the beams and all the things. So basically the demanding precision and expertise to ensure structural integrity and the presentation explores the fundamental of concrete pouring. We are seeing in this photo the person uh, are making the pouring of concrete pouring system. And the proper methods of China are all the things. Now, what are the importance of proper pouring techniques? What is the importance of proper pouring techniques? First one is strength and durability. When we have uh, proper pouring technology, we have techniques we have used on construction site. Then the first one is strength and durability of construction will be increase, so will help to the when the structures strength will be increased when the help of being more to as an engineer to facing all the things and the buildings buildings will also strong and which are the projects like buildings like commercial apartments like projects like all the things and the proper pouring techniques ensure consistent concrete density in strength and durability. Basically, the density, the leading to increase the strength and reliability and all the things. Now, the second one is reduce defects. Reduce defect. Basically, increased pouring can result in voids, which are the two particles, and when the concreting will proceed, the white particles will be not inside. Basically, when the starting concrete pouring, then the whites also filled. Okay, then the cracks and then even the surfaces is structural leading to all the things. And now the now the efficiency of the cost now the efficiency of the cost and the savings basically, and the optimizing pouring methods minimize waste and improve productivity and the reduce the work saving time and resources also. These are the also importance of the pouring techniques we have used on construction. Now the safety is the major part and the pouring safety protocols during pouring for permanent to prevent accident and ensure the well-being of the workers also with the importance of proper pouring techniques which we have used on construction sites. Now the types of concrete pouring methods. There are few types of concrete pouring methods. First one is conventional pouring. Second one is pumping, and the third one is split form. And the first one is conventional pouring. Basically, the most important is the method involving the manual labor using buckets, hoppers, and chutes to place concrete. These are called conventional pouring. And the pumping basically is the easy to transported through a system to a pipe. Pumping basically through when the concrete casting or the slab casting which we have with the concrete or mortar, and the when the use of the materials which are used for the RMC plant, ready mix concrete plant, and the plants which makes the transit mix, and we have pushed on the another side, and the pumping with the help of the transit mixture, the pumping will be set, and the when the we have the proceeding the concreting and the slab casting which we are pumping with the help of the levers and all the things when we have done the pumping of fourings. Okay, now the concrete is transported through a system of pipes and roads is ideal large scale projects or difficult access area also. Now the split form basically the continuous pouring process utilizing a mold that moves along with the concrete. It is poured commonly used for walls and the foundation also which are used. These are the types of concrete pouring methods. Now the factor to considering during concrete pouring. These are the weather conditions which we have major factor to which we have done the concrete pouring. The temperature, we are including weather condition, basically temperature, humidity, wind condition, and the concrete curing process. Then the finest strength also. Now the concrete mix design. Then the when we are putting the mixed type of cement, aggregates, and water and soil appropriate workability and the strength and stability also. Yeah, these are the factors of considering during the concrete pouring. Because when not we have checked this these types of things when the our when do that pouring the pouring will be disabled and the casting will be not proceed. The casting will not proceed, the structure will be not secure and not the strength and not all the things. Okay, when that's why factor to consider during the concrete pouring. Now the framework, the proper framework construction is essential for shaping and supporting under concrete during the pouring and the curing process. And the framework also available here. And the vibration also available here, compacting the concrete using vibrators, removes air and pockets, and usually dense and the soil structure. Basically, when during the sorry during the concrete pouring, when we have used the vibration called, if you know, during the slab cast, during the any cast of pouring, we have used vibrators. Basically, when the the when the use of vibrator and the white particles will be competing will also will vibrate all the things and the reversible sections and the vibrating, then there will be motor will be feeling, then also the things and the whites removes here also facts. Now the challenges of concrete pouring. We have the challenges and difficult access, then the environmental consideration and the time constraints also we have discussed. Okay, uh, environmental condition, basically we have checked the during the challenging condition like seasons wise like or the rainy seasons which are runoff and minimizing noise, dust pollution, and also mentioning the proper drainage also. Okay, now the best practices for efficient concrete pouring through planning. We have seen these pictures. Planning like detailed blueprints, material specification, and the logistics are essential for smooth operations and all the things. And the proper equipment we have used high quality pumps, the mixtures, and the other equipment is ensured efficient and consistent pouring. And the skilled labor forces the experienced workers who understand the pouring techniques and safety protocols are put safe for success. Also, we have used all the things. And now on the quality control. We have know also the quality control, QA case quality control. We have test, salam test, aggregate test, QA, QC test, basically the lab parts. Like quality control, basically the regular monitoring inspection throughout the process pressure. Basically, we have changed. Best practice for efficiency, complete quality, we have consistent quality and the water defects also. Now the quality control and inspection. Here are the some of the quality control and the inspection, basically the visual inspection and the strength testing and the density testing and the reward inspection also we have used during the pouring. Okay, the visual inspection basically checking the whites, cracks, and the noise areas, and during the strength testing basically measuring the compressive strength of the concrete and the density specification also. And the density testing basically we have used determining the weight of the concrete per unit volume to assess the density compact of the compaction basically. We have the quality control and inspection. We have the process engineer and we have took and fine tune the detail of the things. And the reverse inspection basically verifying the placement and the integrity of enforcing bars of structural stability also we have used. Okay, now the conclusion and the key of the takeaways of the whole the video, basically the concrete pouring is a vital process that requires careful planning, execution, quality control, and understanding the various technologies, the factors, and the best practices ensure the efficiency, and the safe and the high quality and the complete construction project also. These are the conclusion and the takeaways, key takeaways for the further of the pouring techniques, pouring construction which we have used. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. These are the introduction video of these are the presentation video of coding in construction. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Do like, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Keep support, guys. Thank you so much. We are meeting with another videos with another topic. Thank you so much.